Welcome to Module 2, Productivity Tools for Business Management. In this module, we'll be speaking on utilizing word processing software for document creation and formatting, leveraging spreadsheet software for data analysis and financial management, creating engaging presentations using presentation software. Unit 1, How to use Microsoft Word to create documents. Microsoft Word is a widely used word processing software that allows you to create and edit various types of documents. Whether you need to write a letter, create a resume, or draft a report, Microsoft Word provides a user-friendly interface and powerful tools to help you efficiently create professional-looking documents. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to use Microsoft Word to create documents. Launch Microsoft Word. Open Microsoft Word by clicking on the program icon or by searching for Microsoft Word in the Start menu or search bar of your computer. You can either choose a template or choose a Word document template. Microsoft Word offers a wide range of pre-designed document templates to suit your different purposes. You can choose a template by clicking on File in the menu bar, select New, and browse through the available templates. If you prefer to start with a blank document, you can skip this step and start a new document. Click on Blank Document or press Ctrl-N. Enter and format text. Begin typing your content into the document. You can format the text by selecting it and using the formatting options in the toolbar. You can change font styles, sizes, colors, apply bold or italic, align text, and much more. The formatting options are located in the Home tab of the menu bar, inserting headers and footers. If you want to add a header or a footer to your document, simply go to the Insert tab in the menu bar and click on Header or Footer. You can choose from the various pre-designed header and footer templates or create your own. Adding page number. To add the page number to your document, go to the Insert tab and click on Page Number. Choose from the desired positions available in the menu options. Insert images and other media. To insert images, graphs, charts, or other media into your document, go to the Insert tab and click on Pictures, online pictures, or relevant options depending on the type of media you wish to insert. Browse your computer or search for images online to add them to your document. Organize content with headings and subheadings. To structure your document, you can use headings and subheadings. Select the text you want to format as a heading and choose the heading style from the Styles section in the toolbar. Headings and subheadings help create an organized and hierarchical structure in your document. Creating bulleted or numbered lists. To create lists, select the text you want to format as a list and click on the bullets or numbering. This will apply the appropriate formatting to create bullets or numbered lists. Saving your document. To save your document, click on the File tab in the menu bar and select Save or press Ctrl and S together. Choose a location on your computer and provide a name for the file. It is a good practice to save your documents frequently to avoid losing any work. Proofreading and editing your document. After completing your document, it is essential to proofread and edit to check for errors or any inconsistencies. You can use the built-in speaking and grammar checker in a Microsoft Word to identify and correct mistakes. Review your content for clarity, coherence, and formatting consistency. Printing or sharing your document. When you are ready to print or share your document, Go to the File tab, select Print, and choose the desired printing options. Alternatively, you can select Save As or Share to save your file in a different file format or share it via email or cloud services. Microsoft Word offers a vast array of features and functionalities beyond the basics covered in this guide. Exploring menus, toolbars, and online resources will allow you to discover additional tools and techniques to enhance your document creation process. Thank you.